TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 10 a.m. Eastern time on Tuesday morning, 30 minutes into the trading day, and we have markets starting off to the downside right now. You're looking at an S&P negative by 19 points, trading at 29.59. We have the Russell 2000 trading down 6 points at 1518. Dow Jones off 68 points, trading at 26,770. You have the NASDAQ down about 1% right now as shares are declining. We'll start things off. We're going to jump over to the VIX Volatility Index this morning. VIX getting a bit of a spike on a little bit of negative action in the market to start off Tuesday trading. VIX trading at 1647 right now. Yesterday closing at about 1520. Jumping over to the charts, we'll start things off with the indices. We'll start it off with the Dow, so higher overnight, checking things out at about 8 to 9 p.m. Eastern time. You're up at about 26,900. That also correlates to the area we were at yesterday morning, 26,911. We're now more than 100 points off that level, 26,779. The low pre-market at about 4:30 in the morning of 26,740. NASDAQ 100, there's a bit of a sell-off, a little bit of a different chart as we just made session lows in the NASDAQ 100 of 77.45, a far cry from where we were last night. You back it up to about 9:30. We're trading at 78.56, so you're 100 points below that level in the NASDAQ 100. S&P's much the same, trading lower, 29.61 right now, just about a point off the lows. Overnight, we were up at about 29.84, so you're talking about 23 S&P points from where we were at about 9 p.m. Eastern time last night. Jumping over to crude oil, a little bit of volatility for crude, spiking to a high, quite a number, 58.67 in the price of October crude. Right now trading 58.29. And jumping over to the gold chart as well, gold right now trading at 15.05. And you check out that chart, we were actually with a 14 handle overnight as gold, dipping down to about 14.95 at 9:30. Back down to that level at about 8.15. And from there, we're almost $10 higher, 15.0510, the price of gold. What else you have happening? Big day for Apple as they have an event. And all expectations as they'll have their annual iPhone launch today. Jumping over to Apple shares ahead of that. And Apple as the NASDAQ down today. Apple trading down about $1 right now, $212.07. Stay tuned, folks. Come back at 10 o'clock with Tom. We got Fast Market by TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim at 11. Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, all this afternoon with Tom O'Brien live at 3. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.